Companies are always trying to work better and become more successful. They use Six Sigma to improve product and service quality. This process also boosts sales and profits. What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma was first created by engineer Bill Smith at Motorola in the 1980s. It uses data to solve problems. It finds and removes unnecessary steps. This reduces waste and makes work more efficient. This method mixes math techniques with quality control. It's used in many industries, like manufacturing. What are Lean Six Sigma tools? Many Six Sigma tools have been developed over the years. They help tackle waste and improve quality control. Many tools have unique purposes. Key areas focus on the DMAIC process, 5S for workplace organization, value stream mapping, and the 7 waste types. They also help improve workflow. DMAIC tools. DMAIC is a 5-step process. It helps improve efficiency and keeps projects organized. It stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Each phase ensures that changes are carefully examined using relevant data. If a new opportunity or issue arises, the DMAIC cycle is repeated to keep improvements on track. 5S Workplace Organization. A tidy workspace helps you work better. But it can be hard to know where to begin. The 5S system simplifies organization using 5 key principles: sort, remove unnecessary items and keep only what is needed. Set in order, arrange and organize the remaining items efficiently. Shine, clean and inspect the workspace regularly. Standardize, establish consistent practices for sorting, organizing, and cleaning. Sustain, maintain and reinforce these habits over time. Value stream mapping. Value stream mapping shows the steps necessary to deliver products and complete projects. It provides teams with a clear view of the whole process. This includes work in progress and important deadlines. This tool helps streamline workflows and improve efficiency. The Six Sigma methodology identifies and reduces 7 major sources of waste. 1. Overproduction, making more products than needed. 2. Waiting, delays caused by team members, materials, or equipment. 3. Unnecessary transportation, moving materials more than necessary. 4. Overprocessing, using inefficient tools or designs that add extra steps. 5. Excess inventory, storing more supplies than required. Flow refers to the smooth progression of tasks from development to delivery. It works to cut waste, avoid delays, and help products or services reach customers faster. Flow in the Six Sigma process means fewer interruptions. It helps focus on the project's most valuable parts. How Six Sigma tools benefit individuals and businesses. Six Sigma tools help all kinds of businesses. They boost efficiency, lower costs, and reduce waste. They also improve customer satisfaction by reducing errors and enhancing product quality. The US Army saved $2 billion by using Six Sigma principles, says Villanova University. More companies are seeing the benefits of Six Sigma. They want certified experts to help them improve continuously. Get certified in Six Sigma today. iCertGlobal's Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification suits professionals well. It's for those preparing for the IASC exam and seeking Six Sigma certification. This course covers DMAIC methodologies, quality management, project implementation, and the Minitab tool. Conclusion: Six Sigma is a strong method. It helps businesses work better, cut waste, and improve product quality. Organizations can improve their processes and productivity with key tools. These include DMAIC, 5S, value stream mapping, 7 wastes, and flow. More companies see the value of Six Sigma. So, professionals with certification and skills in these tools are in demand. Six Sigma techniques can boost success for entrepreneurs, startups, and established organizations alike. Invest in your future today, get certified and take your career to the next level with Six Sigma.